तिम्रो जस्तो एजको मान्छेहरू वा हरेक मान्छेहरूले धेरै पैसा कमाउँछ क्या।
हजुरले यो कार चाहिँ मार्केटिङबाट गएर पर्स गर्छ?
मार्केटिङबाट मैले आफ्नै बिजनेसबाट नि गरेँ, आफ्नै पैसाले किने हो।
या एकदम दाजु
है त ल सी यू। तिमीलाई म के तिम्रो युट्युबमा हेर्छु के छ तिम्रो?
त्यस्तो केही नि होइन, भर्खर स्टार्टिङ गरेर आएको घर
स्टार्टिङ रमाइलो हुन्छ नि हेर। ल ब्रो, ग्रेट मिटिङ यार, पोजिटिभ भाइब्स।
Thank you. Last see you guys. Good morning to everyone. It's 5 o'clock right now, and I'm going 5 kilometers far from here because there is going to be a program, a running program. So I'm participating in that. So for that, I need to go 5 kilometers far from here to join a running program. We're not going to miss any programs, right? Because opportunity never comes. Opportunity, we need to see the opportunities. We need to perceive the opportunities. So we're going and 5 kilometers far from here, and I will be stay tuned with you guys, so don't worry about it. It has been around 6 months or more than 6 months that I haven't run yet, but I'm really excited to run. It's far from here, man. I need to walk 5 kilometers, then I need to run from there. Maybe that from there I maybe need to run 5. Like there is a, I guess there's a 3 kind of stages. Like if you want to run 5.5 kilometers or 6.6 kilometers or 8.8 kilometers, that is your choice, I guess. So let's see what suits us. We will run that. In my life, I have never run more than 6 kilometers continuously, but by taking rest and doing all shits, I have run around 11 to 12 kilometers. But I haven't run more than 5 or 6 kilometers. But today we are going to run 8 kilometers. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to participate in that 8 kilometer run. After a long period of time, we are running. We are going to run. We're going to run. We are going to run. Yeah. By the way, do you know that English is my secondary language? And that's why I sometimes struggle to speak English. I do struggle a lot to speak English, man. Like I need to I need to take a pause while I was speaking or while I speak. Then after that, I need to think what I'm trying to say, and I say. That's how it happens sometimes, and most of the time, by the way, not sometimes. I'm a bad speaker. I don't know how to speak English properly. My legs are going to break today. Kidding. I'm not that weak, okay? So, I came here half an hour ago, and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just warming up and exercise, but there are a lot of people. I don't know if these all are the participants or what. I don't know that, but oh, I see the guy. Well, guys, I saw him. I saw the Nepal, one of the best ad runner, Saugat Basnet, Digital Saugat. Okay, so we're going to meet him. Yeah, let's go. Hey brother, what's up? Yeah. Guys, by the way, I saw him. I met him. Here he is. Saugat Basnet. Okay, got him. We have started running, guys. We're just starting now. Hello.
ननस्टप एउटा स्लो घट्दै छ त घट्यो हामी झन् फास्ट नै छ
थाके म त थाके. These guys are still running. My God. Guys, I'm tired now. I guess I run about more than 5 kilometers. How to do this, bro? It's hard to run. These people are so energetic, man. And we reach to our park. Man, this park. We are going to meet Saugat sir and we'll ask for what is the message that you want to give to young people. We'll ask that to Saugat sir, and that's it. And we'll end up today's video. That's it. Hello. Hello.
Awesome day.
Yeah. So this एकदम दाजु
है त ल सी यू तिमीलाई म के तिम्रो युट्युबमा हेर्छु के छ तिम्रो
त्यस्तो केही नि होइन भर्खर भर्खर स्टार्टिङ गरेर आएको गर्न
स्टार्टिङ रमाइलो हुन्छ नि हेर
शासन थारू यस यस सक्छ ल
हाय
यस दाजु
ल ब्रो ग्रेट
एकदम
मिटिङ यार पोजिटिभ भाइब्स
थ्याङ्क यू ल सी यू दाजु So guys, I just meet one of the well-known digital marketer Saugat sir, and he's going to drop me with one of the great thing. So I'm going to ask him one question. I have a question to him that what do you want to give message to young people like me who want to do something in their life? Like we have kind of feeling of entrepreneurship within us. So for that, what kind of message do you want to give?
Okay, so the message that I'm trying to convey is not for just young people, it is for everyone. The first thing is that you need to acquire skills, right? And in today's world you need skill stacking. So what does skill stacking means? That means that you need to acquire multiple skills that will help you eventually move forward in your life. The first skill is something that helps you move forward in your health, your physical health, your mental health. That is the skill you need to acquire. Second skill is something that you need to acquire that will help you build wealth, something that help you earn money, something that will help you invest money, something that will help you save and manage your money. That is the second skill that you need. The third skill is communication, that will help you build a good relationship with people, with your spouse, with your family, with your friends. So those are the three aspects of your life that you need to focus on, and those are the skills that you need to build in yourself if you want to lead a better life. So yeah, it is not just for young people, it is for everyone. It is for people that is in my age, it is for people that is in your age, that we need to focus on building skills, acquiring skills and skill stacking, and in these major three parts of your life. So yeah, that is something that I really want to share with everyone, and this is something that I have been telling to everyone.
Yeah.
In my videos, in my emails, in every content, in
Yeah.
webinars as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is something that I really want to tell people who are watching this video.
Thank you so much, Saugat sir. And I'm so glad that I came here
today, because like what I believe is, you get opportunities, you need to see that, that's fine, but you sometimes you have to create opportunities. Literally.
Right. I agree with that, because
Yeah.
when I posted the story yesterday about this run club,
Yeah.
then you were the only guy who showed up, right?
Yeah.
And now we are here.
Yeah.
So that's why opportunity knocks your doors most of the time, but
Yeah.
what happens is you say no. And that was the recent content that I have made in my Instagram handle.
Yeah.
So there will be opportunities that will be knocking your door, and that's when you need to say yes, I can. Yes, I will.
can. Yeah, I will.
Just avoid the no, get it out of the picture, and just say yes. And opportunity will help you move forward in your life.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Saugat sir. I'm so glad that I meet you.
कसैलाई मार्केटिङले अगाडि बढाउँछ, कसैलाई बढाउँदैन होइन. अब मेन कुरा भनेको चाहिँ तिमीले भेहिकल चाहिँ फिगर आउट गर्नु पर्यो. तिमी अहिले यङ छौ, भर्खर तिमीले अब +2 कम्प्लिट गरेको छौ. लाइफमा धेरै कुरा छ क्या, तिमीले देख्न बाँकी, सिक्न बाँकी, मान्छेहरूलाई भेट्नु पर्यो. यसरी नै अपर्च्युनिटिजहरू आउँछ होइन, तपाईँलाई ग्राब गरिहाल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. जस रमाइलो भयो नि आज.
एकदम सर, I'm so happy. So much.
त्यही त.
No regrets, क्लास मिस गरेँ, no regrets.
राइट.
So and by the way, one question, हजुरले यो कार चाहिँ मार्केटिङबाट गएर पर्स गर्छ?
मार्केटिङबाट मैले आफ्नै बिजनेसबाट नि गरेँ, आफ्नै पैसाले किनेर.
या.
कस्तो हुन्छ भने कतिपय टाइममा चाहिँ मेरो फ्यामिली चाहिँ तिम्रो त्यस्तो ब्याकग्राउन्डबाट होइन क्या. मिडल क्लासमा पनि तिम्रो एउटा अप्पर मिडल क्लास हुन्छ, एउटा लोवर मिडल क्लास हुन्छ. अनि मेरो ब्याकग्राउन्ड भनेको चाहिँ लोवर मिडल क्लासबाट हो कि होइन. अनि लाइफमा मलाई धेरै कुरा अचिभ गर्नुपर्ने थियो. फाइनली बिस्तारै चाहिँ गरिरहेको छु. अझै पनि धेरै कुरा छ कि अचिभ गर्नको लागि चाहिँ. अनि त्यही भएर म कस्तो टाइममा के गरिरहेको हुन्छ भने चाहिँ मोस्ट अफ द टाइम म आफूलाई यस्तो खालको ग्रुपमा चाहिँ इन्ट्रोड्युस गराउन खोज्छु जहाँ चाहिँ म सबैभन्दा डम्बेस्ट पर्सन हुनु पऱ्यो कि. त्यही भएर चाहिँ म त्यस्तो खालको ग्रुपमा हालिरहेको हुन्छु. पैसाको कुरा थियो होइन.
यस सर.
सो अहिले तिम्रो एज यङ नै छ होइन. सो त्यो कारणले चाहिँ तिमीले अहिले केमा फोकस गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ भने फर्स्टमा त स्किल स्ट्याकिङ गर्नु पऱ्यो होइन. अघि है त.
या.
सो अहिले तिमी यङ नै छौ, द्याट्स वाइ फोकस भनेको चाहिँ तिमीले स्किल स्ट्याकिङमा गर्नु पऱ्यो. फर्स्ट स्किल भनेको चाहिँ तिमीले आफ्नो हेल्थलाई कसरी राम्रो बनाउने त्यसमा फोकस हुनु पऱ्यो. सेकेन्ड स्किल भनेको तिमीले पैसा कसरी कमाउने, सेभ गर्ने र इन्भेस्ट गर्ने त्यसमा तिमीले फोकस गर्नु पऱ्यो. थर्ड भनेको चाहिँ आफ्नो कम्युनिकेसनमा, लिडरसिपमा, पर्सनालिटीमा तिमीले फोकस गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. र पैसाको कुरामा के छ भने चाहिँ आई रियली वान्ट कि तिम्रो जस्तो एजको मान्छेहरू वा हरेक मान्छेहरूले धेरै पैसा कमाओस् क्या. किन कमाओस् भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ पैसा कमाइसकेपछि चाहिँ अनि बल्ल मान्छेलाई चाहिँ फिल होस् कि लाइक साँच्ची पैसाले चाहिँ ह्याप्पिनेस दिन्छ भनेर क्या. त्यसको लागि तिमीले धेरै पैसा कमाउनु पर्छ नि क्या. सो आई वान्ट कि तिमीलाई त्यो एक्सपिरियन्स होस् कि पैसाले ह्याप्पिनेस दिँदैन, र त्यो एक्सपिरियन्स गर्नको लागि तिमीले धेरै पैसा कमाऊ क्या होइन. अनि पैसाले ह्याप्पिनेस दिँदैन, तर पैसाले तिमीलाई टाइम दिन्छ क्या. पैसाले तिमीलाई त्यो कामहरू गर्ने फ्रिडम दिन्छ जुन कुराले तिमीलाई ह्याप्पी बनाउँछ.
या.
द्याट्स वाइ आई वान्ट एभ्री वान टु अर्न सो मच अमाउन्ट अफ मनी होइन. सो द्याट पछि गएर दे क्यान टेल अदर्स कि गाइज money can't buy happiness भनेर. So that is the amount of money I want every one of you guys to earn in your life.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Valuable things, man.